A very good morning to all my dear students. So I hope you all have enjoyed your vacation. So after vacation we are again starting. Okay, we have come back again for the online studies. So before vacation we have already started algebra. Okay, so this is just a revision I'm showing. This video has been already posted. This video means whatever matter you can see in front of you. So algebra, what do you mean by algebra? I have explained you the branch of mathematics which involves the use of letters and numbers. Okay, it is called algebra. And algebra में जो भी letters होंगे those are called variables. Okay, so n you can see is the variable in the equation 2n. Okay, and then we have also studied how to make the equations. Okay, हमने matchsticks का जो pattern था that we have seen in exercise 11.1. First few questions. The first question was completely that you have to find the rule. Completely about finding the rule when you are using the matchstick. जब आप matchsticks को use कर रहे हो और उसको use करके you are making a T. How, what will be the formula and how you will make. So this is the formula 2n. Okay, and similarly we have studied some other questions also. So till question number 5 we have already completed, and now we'll continue from question number 6. And one more thing, we have also studied that value of variable is not fixed. It can have any value, it can take any value, it can vary. इसीलिए इसका नाम variable है क्योंकि ये change कर सकता है. Vary means it can change. So in this equation you can see 2n. n is the variable. 2 fix है, 2 की वैल्यू को आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट यू कैन टेक एनी नंबर इन प्लेस ऑफ n. Okay, so similar on the similar basis we are going to solve question number 6 onwards. So question number 6 says a bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Okay, and can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of flying time in minutes? Okay, so what we will take, let t be the minutes of flying time, यानी कि t minutes तक fly किया है bird ने, and distance covered in 1 minute is 1 kilometer. This is given to you in the question. Then distance covered in t minutes will be 1 into t, but obviously okay, distance covered in 1 minute into flying time, जितने minutes के लिए bird ने fly किया है, that into 1 minute, so it will be t kilometer. So this is the answer. Okay, then question number 7 is Radha is drawing a dot rangoli. Okay, dot rangoli बना रही है, and she is using chalk powder. She has 9 dots in a row. उसके पास एक रो में 9 dots हैं, and total number of rows are r. Suppose this is the variable we are taking r. Okay, so total number of dots in r rows, यानी कि एक रो में 9 dots हैं. So how many dots will be there in r rows? That you have to find out. So this is number of dots in row, in one row into number of rows, so which is 9r. So this is the final answer. Okay, so all these questions are very simple, and after finding the equation they are asking how many dots will be there in 8 rows. So you just have to put the value of r as 8. So 9 8s are 72, and in 10 rows 9 into 10, which is 90 rows. Okay, so this way we have to do. Now let Radha's age, question number 8, which is very simple. Leela is Radha's younger sister. There are 2 girls, Radha and Leela, और उनकी age के relation भी are given, and you have to make the equation. Okay, so Leela is Radha's younger age. So Leela, it is given that Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. So obviously you will take Radha's age be x, or you can take any other variable also y. Okay, so Radha's age will be x years, और Leela जो है she is 4 years younger. Younger means less, so you have to subtract. Okay, so Leela's age will be x minus 4 years. It's very simple, as I told you. Okay, then question number 9 is very interesting. Okay, you can take the example of your mother. Suppose your mother gave you L number of laddus. Okay, this is L is given to you in the question, so you have to take the same variable. Okay, mother ने laddus बनाए. She gave some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. Okay, तो mom ने जो laddus family members और guests को दिए, that is L. And still how many laddus are remaining? 5. That means total laddus how many mother made is L plus 5. इसमें से L लड्डूस तो दे दिए और 5 लड्डूस रिमेनिंग है. So L plus 5, these many laddus are the total number of laddus made by the mom. Okay, so this is very simple. Now 10th question I just wanted to give you as homework, but let's just do it, and then 11th question will be your homework, last question of the exercise. Now oranges are to be transferred from a larger box into smaller boxes. एक बड़ा box है, in that box so many oranges are kept, you have to transfer them. Now what you are doing actually, from a bigger box you are putting them into two smaller boxes. Okay, two small boxes. So you can see the diagram, there are oranges in the bigger box and you have to transfer these oranges in two small boxes. These two small boxes are equal in size. तो जितने oranges एक में आएंगे उतने ही दूसरे में भी आएंगे. So let the number of oranges in small box be x. Okay, so this is x. So if number of boxes in one box is x, another में भी x आ जाएंगे. So two boxes are there, so how many oranges will come in two boxes? 2x. Still, after putting 2x oranges in these two boxes, 10 oranges are remaining. Okay, so how many oranges are there total in this? Which is 2x plus 10, क्योंकि 2x oranges boxes में डाल दिए, उसके बाद 10 oranges बच जाते हैं, so it will be 2x plus 10. Okay, so this way you have to complete this exercise. We have done 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, these many questions. So 11th question will be your homework. Okay, so complete this question. That's all for today. Thank you.